Hi guys, I'm Ron. Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to answer the question how to make money from YouTube. Let me start by saying this. Anyone can make money from YouTube. Making money is equivalent to monetization of your videos on YouTube. You just need a couple of accounts and some settings that you need to do, starting from a Gmail account to a YouTube channel creation and some settings in there, and as well as a Google Adsense account. So in this video, I'm going to try and cover all the aspects about getting a channel monetized. Yes, monetize is the keyword, and be on a way to actually make money from YouTube. But before we get started, a reminder to subscribe to the channel. This is the VNS Live Studio channel, and you're watching Ron Reviews. To start with, you're going to need a Gmail account. You can go to google.com, click on the Gmail button, and then click on the Create Account button. This will direct you to a form that you have to fill to create your Gmail account. For the purposes of the video, I have added YT demo by Ron at gmail.com to be the Gmail address. You click on the next button after that. You need to verify your Gmail account with the phone number. I've already done it, so I'm skipping this part, and a couple of other forms of privacy terms and conditions. So after this, your Gmail account would have been created. Once the Gmail account is created, you get a welcome message. In the email that you've received, go right at the bottom and click on YouTube. It'll open the YouTube page, and you can see a sign in button on the right hand side of the page. Click on the sign in button, and you see that your Gmail account signs you into YouTube. It says YT demo by Ron. The next step is to create a channel. You get two options once you do that. One is to actually use your given username that you have already for your YouTube account, which is the Gmail account, or you can choose a custom name. I'm going to show you how to set a custom name. So it says, once you click on the button, it says create a channel name. I'm going to call the channel YouTube Demo and hit the checkbox for the terms and conditions and click on the create button. After creation, it asks you for a couple of details about your channel, like description and your logo. I'm going to skip all of that for now. I'm just going to be adding default URLs for VNS Live Studio's page and a default text description, as this is a test channel. And click on save and continue. So at this stage, the channel would be created, and you see that the channel is YouTube Demo. There are buttons for Customize Channel and YouTube Studio. Let's get into the YouTube Studio. The new YouTube Studio help video is given on the first box that appears. You can click on it and watch it for how to navigate through this menu. Before we get anywhere else, let's look at the settings of this channel. The first is the default units. I've selected US dollars and some information you can update for your channel. The country is India, and there is a new setting in the advanced settings, is that every video that you post, you have to actually tell YouTube whether it's made for kids or not. So there are these three options. I'm going to select no, this channel is not made for kids. Now let's look at the monetization tab, which is very interesting. It says I have 0 subscribers, I need 1,000 of them. 0 public watch hours, I need 4,000. So yes, not every channel can be monetized unless a channel that has over 1,000 subscribers and has 4,000 hours of views on the videos that have been uploaded is eligible to get monetized. So monetization is at a video level. When I say a video level, it means a video can be monetized or video cannot be monetized. It depends on the option that you select in the YouTube Studio. Now monetization itself enables your video to start making money. So if you have monetization turned on for a given video, your video can start making money. If it's turned off, it will not make money. There is also a limited setting for a limited set of audiences based on the video. Like for example, if you play it to people who are above the age of 18 and so on. Alright, so that's monetization for you. Looking at the dashboard panel, you get some channel analytics, some news from YouTube. The videos tab will have the list of your videos that you upload. Playlists will have a window to actually edit your playlists. A playlist is nothing but a collection of videos. Now, back to the main channel page, there's this customize channel button. When you do that, you see a customized view of your channel, logo, your cover art, and some settings that you can use to modify the layout of your channel. What's interesting is on the top right corner, you see there's a settings button up beside the Creator Studio button. When you hit that button and go to channel status and features, you will see this window. This window is basically information of what's happening with your channel and enabling certain features such as monetization, custom URL, live streaming, and so on. To enable most of these features, you have to verify your channel, and this is what I'm looking to do here. So you need a mobile phone for that. And since now my channel is verified, I would be able to see all of these features getting enabled. There is something called a custom URL, like I said earlier. It says ineligible. A custom URL is basically the link of your channel. This channel is currently ineligible. To become eligible, I need 100 or more subscribers, and this channel has to be over 30 days old, has to have uploaded a photo as a channel icon, has to have uploaded a photo art. 4 things to get a URL. For example, the VNS Live Studio's channel custom URL is VNS Live Studio Play in the end. Whereas the channel that I've just created, the URL for that channel is some random alphabets and numbers. Once you have a YouTube channel created, you see these 2 options that are showing on top: 0 out of 3 copyright strikes and 0 out of 3 community violation strikes. Now, what are community strikes versus copyright strikes? By default, you see that the copyright strikes and the community strikes are 0 in your particular channel. For example, if tomorrow you opened your channel and you copied somebody else's video from the internet and you uploaded it on YouTube, and then the video also exists on the YouTube platform, it's typically a violation of copyright because you have actually taken someone else's video and put it on your channel and enabled monetization on it. YouTube detects it through an algorithm and would strike that particular video down from your channel, or it could choose to keep it there and the monetization benefits go to the original channel based on the agreement YouTube has with the actual content owner. If you get 3 copyright strikes, then YouTube can suspend or completely delete your channel altogether, so be careful with that. Community guideline strikes, on the other hand, are basically policy violations on the content that you post. So if there's any content in your video that is graphic or is not allowed by YouTube for any matter, you'll get a community guideline strike. So remember this before uploading any videos. Make sure that the videos are in the guidelines defined by YouTube, and of course you post original content only. Say you got the 4,000 watch hours and the 1,000 subscribers, and now your channel is eligible for monetization. So I'm going to show you the channel status and features page of a channel that has already been monetized and what setting options are available over there. As you can see, monetization has already been enabled, and when you click on the link view monetization settings, it directs you to this page. It is basically the control panel for monetization. In the column below, it says review or change, in that you can click on associated AdSense account. Now this is when the AdSense account comes into the picture. You need to create a Google Adsense account and link it to the YouTube channel. Whenever you do so, in this particular page, you'll see the AdSense ID status and the date associated against that channel. I've blocked these out due to security reasons. How do I create an AdSense account? You simply have to go to Google AdSense and follow the steps using your Google account to create an AdSense account. The dashboard somewhat looks like this, where it gives you all the statistics of your estimated earnings and your balance to be transferred. A thing to see in the AdSense control panel is the account information. Publisher ID that is stated in this page will be the same as the AdSense ID mentioned on your YouTube channel. This confirms that both the accounts are linked. YouTube transfers money into your account once $100 have been accumulated, and it's a monthly payout cycle. So if in a given month you earn more than $100, YouTube will transfer the money to your bank account at a given schedule. Any earnings post that will be counted in the next cycle of payment. Where do I mention my bank account? It is in the payments menu option in the control panel of AdSense. That is where you go and mention your bank account. The option gets enabled once your AdSense account gets approved. So typically this is the whole process of how to get a channel monetized and how to actually make money from YouTube. A reminder, do hit the subscribe button on the YouTube channel of VNS Live Studio and hit the bell icon to get notifications of new videos that I post. So that's all folks for this video. Thank you for joining in. I hope you understood how to create a channel and get it monetized. If you have any questions, do let me know. I'm Ron. This is the VNS Live Studio channel and you're watching Ron Reviews. Catch you in the next one.